the motor contacts from within this truck, and now we're going to flip this baby over, and we're going to go ahead and disassemble and remove the truck completely out of here. One thing that I did notice in here, there's a single light that controls all of the lights on the front of the vehicle. I'm not liking that, so we're gonna definitely modify that. Okay, so we're gonna remove that off of there, and we're gonna just take this truck off. So you can see the wires that we were talking about. There are 4 wires down in here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And if we take a closer look, these two rods that we removed were connected to these 2 outside wires. So as you can see here, this one has nothing connected to it, and this one has nothing connected to it. Okay, these 2 wires here are connected to the motor connectors. Off. This right here is a plate that's holding this in, so I'm gonna just have to pry it off. That's the way to get it off. So I'm gonna do that now. Okay, and that's off. Set that over there. And now we can take our truck out. Set that there. And now we have the basic truck. And here's the screw we were talking about. That's 1. And we'll take this one off. And that is number 2. We'll take this off. Okay, let's just take the wires out. Won't be needing those, so we'll just set those there. So here we have the motor, and you'll notice just right off the bat there's a red side, and once we pull it out, you'll see on the down there that there's a black side. So all I'm going to do here now, a lot of the videos that you hear, you got to make sure that you keep the polarity and everything right, and so on and so forth. I'll just say this. These are DC motors. If you put the positive to the negative, it just runs backwards. The only reason that I'm even concerned with it in this setup is that I'm going to do 2 of these trucks. And the trucks have to be wired in the same way for the train to move in the same direction. That's the only reason. If you're doing a train that has a single truck, then you don't even need to worry about which is which. Just make sure you get them wired, and that's it. But because I have to focus on it, I do have to worry about which one is which. So I'm just going to take a little piece of tape, a little piece of electric tape, and I'm going to just set this on this side to indicate red. Sort of silly to have red and black, but I can see the red. I know which side that goes on, so that's what it means to me. You can make it mean whatever you want to you. Okay, so that's it. We've got it taken apart. We are going to take the motor out next.